The Redmi Note 11T is aimed at budget-conscious consumers who are looking for a phone with a good performance, a long-lasting battery, and a capable camera. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest tricks and reviews in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. First up, we have the design and the build quality. The Redmi Note 11T has a plastic body with a glass front. It is available in three colors: Stardust White, Meteorite Gray, and Aurora Blue. The phone is 8 mm thick and weighs 195 grams. It is not the thinnest phone or the lightest phone in the market, but still it is comfortable to hold and use. The build quality of the Redmi Note 11T is good. The phone feels solid and sturdy, and there are no creaks or bends when you hold it. About the display, the Redmi Note 11T has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 2400 x 1080 pixel display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The display is bright and colorful and is great for watching videos, playing games, or even browsing the web. The display is also protected by Gorilla Glass for scratch resistance. Coming to the performance, the Redmi Note 11T is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. This processor is capable of handling most everyday tasks with ease, and it can also handle some light gaming. The Redmi Note 11T comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This is plenty of memory for most users. Let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 11T has a triple camera system on the back. The main camera is a 50 megapixel sensor, and it is accompanied by an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front-facing camera is a 16 megapixel sensor. The cameras on the Redmi Note 11T are capable of taking good photos in good lighting conditions. However, the photos can be a bit grainy in low light. Coming to the battery life, the Redmi Note 11T has a 5000 mAh battery. This is a large battery that can easily last a full day on a single charge. The Redmi Note 11T also supports 33-watt fast charging. This means that you can quickly charge the phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Finally, the software. Redmi Note 11T runs Android 11 with MIUI on top. MIUI is a custom Android skin that is known for its customization options. The Redmi Note 11T also comes with a few pre-installed apps, but there is no bloatware. The Redmi Note 11T is a good budget-friendly phone that offers good performance, a long-lasting battery, and a capable camera. It is a good choice for users who are looking for a reliable phone that can handle everyday tasks with ease. That concludes our today's review of the Redmi Note 11T. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.